How can you better collaborate to drive innovation? Rising product complexity requires multiple disciplines to work together to develop successful products and experiences. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, all stakeholders collaborate on a single product definition to drive innovation. Communicate precisely in 3D from within a web browser. With 3D markup, provide design feedback in context of the design model for more accurate input and effective design reviews. Create and track the implementation of design changes. Access all change information in a change action, eliminating search time and reducing errors. Using Work Under automatically capture design modification for full traceability. Manage, track, and assign product issues to improve product quality. Tag the issues on the 3D design for clear context, faster problem identification, and quicker resolution. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform with the Collaborative Industry Innovator Role improves collaboration by connecting every stakeholder anytime, anywhere, and on any device.